Imagine if you have 10 eggs and you put all of them in one basket. What happens if the basket falls? Everything is gone, right? अगर एक ही जगह सब कुछ रखोगे तो रिस्क भी उतना ही बड़ा होगा. But what if you divide those eggs into 5 different baskets? Even if one falls, you still have the other 4 baskets where your eggs are safe. समझदार इन्वेस्टर अब कभी भी सारे अंडे एक टोकरी में नहीं रखता. This is exactly how smart investors think, and that's where mutual funds come in. Hi everyone, this is Shine Hadri and I welcome you all to Commerce with Shine. So let us begin with our today's class, meaning of mutual funds. Let's understand how this works. सिंपल भाषा में समझो तो म्यूचुअल फंड इन्वेस्टिंग का स्मार्ट तरीका है. A mutual fund is a type of investment where money from many people is collected and invested in different assets like shares, bonds, and other securities. Instead of investing alone, you must invest together with others. And a professional expert called a fund manager handles the investment for you. आपका पैसा एक्सपर्ट के हाथ में होता है जो उसे बढ़ाने की कोशिश करते हैं. So even if you don't have deep knowledge of the stock market, mutual funds allow you to invest smartly. Let us understand with the egg basket example. If you invest all your money in just one company, it's like keeping all the eggs in one basket. That means the risk is high. एक जगह पैसा लगाने का मतलब है रिस्क को इनवाइट करना. But mutual funds spread your money across many companies like multiple baskets. So even if one company performs badly, others can balance the loss. यही है स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग, रिस्क को कंट्रोल करना. दिस इज कॉल्ड द डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, द गोल्डन रूल ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. एडवांटेजेस ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड्स. व्हाई डू पीपल प्रेफर म्यूचुअल फंड्स? लेट्स सी. चलिए देखते हैं क्यों म्यूचुअल फंड्स इतना पॉपुलर है. Diversification. Your risk is reduced because money is spread out. Professional management. Experts handle your investment. Affordable. You can start with a small amount. Liquidity. You can easily withdraw your money in most of the funds. कम पैसों में भी बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉसिबल है. सो म्यूचुअल फंड्स आर अ ग्रेट ऑप्शन फॉर बिगनर्स एंड इवन experienced investors. Let's move on to the next slide. Disadvantages of mutual funds. But every investment have some drawbacks. हर चीज के दो पहलू होते हैं, यहाँ भी है. Market risk. Returns depend on the market performance. Management fees. Fund managers charge certain amount of fees. No guaranteed returns. Profits are not fixed because it depends on the market performance. Less control. You don't directly choose the stocks, but your manager does. इसीलिए इन्वेस्टमेंट हमेशा सोच समझकर करें. So it's important to invest with awareness. Let's quickly revise. Mutual funds is pooling of money and investing in multiple assets. Egg example we did. Don't put all the eggs in one basket. That means don't invest only in one company, but diversify your investment. Key benefit: diversification reduces risk. This is the main benefit of mutual funds. But always remember, returns are market dependent. रिस्क कम, लेकिन ज़ीरो कभी नहीं होता. If you want to learn more such concepts in a simple and practical way, make sure to subscribe Commerce with Shine. यहाँ सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं, समझ भी आता है. Because here we don't just study, we understand concept for exams and for the real life. Thank you for watching. Your support means a lot.